Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the OnPay payroll service. As a small business owner, dealing with payroll and taxes was always a huge headache. I was using a more complex, expensive system, and honestly, I dreaded payday. After hearing some buzz, I decided to make the switch to OnPay, and I want to share my honest, first-person experience with you. The biggest thing you need to know about OnPay is their simple, all-inclusive pricing. It's one flat rate plus a small per employee fee, and that includes absolutely everything. Unlimited payroll runs, all tax filing federal, state, and local, and year-end forms like W-2s and 1099s. With my previous provider, I was constantly getting hit with hidden fees for things like filing in an extra state or just for year-end processing. With OnPay, that stopped completely. It made budgeting for my payroll costs completely predictable, which is a massive win for a small business. The onboarding process was surprisingly smooth. Switching payroll providers mid-year can be terrifying because of the tax history, but OnPay provides a dedicated, US-based support team to handle the data migration for free. They took all my previous payroll records and employee information and basically did the heavy lifting of the setup. It felt like I had a payroll expert working for me, ensuring everything was correct from day one. Now, for the actual process of running payroll, it's incredibly fast. The dashboard is intuitive. Once you're set up, running my bi-weekly payroll takes me maybe 3 minutes. I just check the hours, click approve, and I'm done. OnPay handles all the calculations for withholdings, deductions, and then files the taxes automatically. This automation has freed up hours of my time every month that I can now spend focusing on growing my business. They also have excellent employee self-service. Each employee gets their own secure portal where they can manage their personal info, view pay stubs, and access their W-2s. This means my team is happy because they have control, and I don't have to spend time emailing documents every time someone asks for an old pay stub. If I have one small critique, it's that some of the HR reporting features are a little more basic compared to some of the massive enterprise systems. However, for a small to mid-sized business, everything you actually need, like employee records, PTO tracking, and even integrated benefits administration, is there and easy to use. My final takeaway: if you are a small business owner looking for a payroll solution that is easy to use, transparently priced, and provides fantastic human support, OnPay is an outstanding choice. It truly simplified a complex part of my business operations. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.